Okay, this is actual campsite number 1, and we've found that the rain, not only has it stopped us actually camping, it's also drenched all our stuff. So hence we're drying everything. Look how much it rained overnight. It forced the tarp to break and dip from the edges. Wind. Look, we got little Big O over here. Big O in the little blue machine. We got Cal and Emma in the glorious instant pop-up tent. If you come over here, you'll actually see our clothesline. This is how sophisticated we are. So you see, it's either see the 5-star or it's camping and glamping. For me, I don't like going in the middle. I don't like a motel. But I love a campground, or I love a 5-star resort. But hey, no 5-star resorts here. This is 2 leg ropes joined together. Emma's idea in a makeshift clothesline. So we're hoping it doesn't rain and everything will be ready for us to go to sleep on dry bedding. We'll see though. How cool is this? How cool is this campground? Look at that! This is glorious! Alright, welcome to Kales Outback Cooking Show. Minus all luxuries, like a chopping board and a sharp knife. We're gonna have sweet potato with sausages, onion and tomato. Throw it together. Bob's your uncle. You're welcome.
Hi.
In the elements. This is rough camping.
It's not really rough.
It's a little bit rough. This is what we're going to have in the morning. A little bit of forage. Oh, by the way, you can get forage for 10% off if you use the discount code broccoli. Here are the details. Keep away the flies with the herbs.